Hello everyone, here's a quick video about two new indicators, trend follower 1 and trend follower 2. What you see on the screen is trend follower 1 and here is trend follower 2. So even though they look similar, the calculation that produces these signals are very different. This indicator is good for trend trading and also for short-term trading. So using this one as an example, let me go to M30. Here are the signals, M15, M5, and M1. So here are the signals for it. And similarly, let me do the same here. Go to M30, M15, M5, and M1. So here are the signals for both. So as you can see, different calculation, different signals generated by it. So let me go over this this one here. So this indicator, you can make changes to the settings to see to fit your needs. So you can adjust the length, the smoothing, and also the sensitivity of the indicator. And also you can enable the retest. So the retest is basically, as you can see, trend is going on the buy direction, but it comes down to the band and then closes above it. So here's a retest. It does it again. So if you miss a signal, this will be another entry. You get another buy, and then you have a couple of buys. Since it keep coming back into the band and then closing above it, you get a signal. So we have it in the indicator for you, so you don't have to guess. And here, once you turn it on to true, so as you can see, you got your retest and your retest signal. Same here. So we go to H1, and as we can see, we got signal as it coming in, and then we get our retest here as well. So let me turn on. And also with this indicator, you can change the length and the price type by average, median, and the mode. And then you have your retest. Also the distance is basically referring to the distance between the bands. So if you want to make it wider for your signals, you can change the value. And I'll show you the retest and also make the change so you can see the difference. So here you have a buy signal. As we can see, it did not come close to the band. So it came here, came into the band, and now it closed above. So you got to buy all day yesterday and then continue the buy signal today. So if you want to adjust the band to filter some trades, let's say change this to 2. We'll click OK. So as you can see, we got a wider band. So if we were on a lower time frame, as you can see here, we got a wider band, and then we just continue buying since we have our retest signal on. So here, let's say we had a default at 1. As you can see, we had a sell signal here by making the band wider. Again, it goes to the time frame that you trade in. So installing this indicator is very easy to do, and for those who don't know how to install custom indicators, you go to File and you open Data Folder, and then you go to MQL4, and then you put it inside this indicator folder. So the same for if you have MT5 version of this, you will put, it will say MQL5, and then you just put it in the indicator folder. So once you're done, just right click on any indicator that you see in here and do refresh, and then you should see it, depending on which one you get, trend follower 1 or trend follower 2. And then you just drag it to the chart or just double click it, and then it will show the information on there. So this is how you use it. And you can also use this with EA. So on the about, it will give you the buffers for the indicator. So 3 for buy and 4 for sell. Also with any indicator, you can find the buffers, and you can find it by just looking at the colors. if they do have buffers, you could trade it, but sometimes indicators might have colors listed like this, but not actual buffers for the signals. So here is the buffers, and then you can use it in the universal EA to trade. So here's an example of it. Here we have our universal EA. So if you have that, you can use this indicator with, and inside of it, I'm using trend follower 1, and I'm using current trend and the buffers 4 and 5. So as you can see, I have it labeled here, 4 and 5. And again, if you don't know where to find it, you can go to colors, and then you got 4 and 5. And if you're not sure, you can change the size, and you will see the arrows get bigger. So if I change the buy to, let's say 5, you can see that this get bigger. So as you can see, so now you know the buffer for this is this value, and then you can enter it into any universal EA. I'm using hours in this example here, so you can trade with. So as soon as we get a signal for a sell, the EA is going to jump into action to trade. And if you like to try out some of our products, you can basically do a subscription, and that'll give you the opportunity to try out any indicator or EA that we have on our website for that month. So just basically subscribe, and then you'll be able to have access to any indicator that you can test for the month. You have opportunity to test. So we have indicators, EAs, and scanners. So you can test 4 indicators, 2 EAs, and 4 scanners. So for a month, and then you'll be able to test all of it, including these products that I'm showing you today. So you'll have opportunity to test it out before you purchase one that you want. So as you see, signal, and it is going to a sell, and it's in profit. All right,